name's Brendan Morgan. I'm the Collision Center Manager here at Key Collision Center of Portsmouth. I've been in the industry a little over 20 years now. Just about my whole career, from being a technician to working in the front, running a shop, we've always used the Evercoat products. Yeah, across all the Key Collision Centers, we're using the Rage optics, putty and fillers, as well as the 440 Express. Well, with the support from Auto Body Supplies and Paint and Shamrock Sales, we've been able to increase our cycle time with the Rage products, as well as virtually eliminating the redos. With the color change technology of the new Rage optics, it allows the technicians to work on multiple jobs and know when to come back to finish the repair, increasing cycle time overall. A year or so ago, we were having issues with pinholes. The guys from Shamrock Sales came in with the new Evercoat products, and we were able to work together and come up with a plan to eliminate the pinhole issue. The future of the Key Collision Center group looks great. We currently have 8 shops across 3 New England states, and we're looking to expand in other business-friendly states. Evercoat is a huge partner. They're going to help us get there with their cutting-edge products and support. The new Evercoat Rage products have helped us increase our cycle time, ultimately getting more cars in and out the door and making us more profitable at the same time. Coming out of the pandemic, our volume has really increased, and Evercoat has helped us to keep up with that.